In our previous lesson, we learned how to find the center, radius, area, and circumference if we're given a circle in either the standard form or the general form. Today we're going to do the reverse. Given the center, radius, area, and or circumference, we're going to write the equations of a circle in standard form. First, let's recall the standard form of a circle, and that is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. And r is the radius, hk is our center. The general form is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0, where d, e, and f are constants. Given the general form, we need to transform it first into the standard form so that we can easily find the center and the radius. Using the same format, we will do first the 5 problems together, and then I will give you a chance to do 5 problems on your own. Here's the first 5 questions. Write the equation of a circle in standard form. Question number 1. Write the equation of a circle in standard form given the center 12, 2 and the radius 5. Recall that the standard form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where hk is your center and r is the radius. So for question number 1, the center 12, 2 indicates that our h is positive 12 and k is 2. Also, since radius is 5, this means that r squared is 5 squared, and that is 25. So the answer for question number 1 is x minus our h, which is 12, square. We have y minus k is 2, square, is equal to r squared, and r squared is 5 squared, or that is 25. So this is the standard form of question number 1. Question number 2. The center is 7, negative 8, and radius is square root of 21. Our h is positive 7, k is negative 8. So to begin with, we will have x minus positive 7 square plus we have y minus negative 8. And of course, minus negative 8 is the same thing as plus 8. So we have y plus 8 square. Now, if radius is square root of 21, then r square is root 21 square. And the square of the square root of 21 is 21. So the answer for question number 2 is x minus 7 square plus y plus 8 square is equal to 21. Question number 3. Center is negative 12, 13, and diameter is 8. H is negative 12, k is positive 13. So we will have x minus negative 12, and that becomes plus 12 square, plus y minus k is 13, so we have y minus 13 square, is equal to r square. Now, since our diameter is 8, then what is your radius? Radius is half the diameter, so that is half of 8, which is 4. And it follows that r squared is 4 to the second power, or that is 16. So the standard form for question number 3 is x plus 12 squared plus y minus 13 squared is equal to 16. Question number 4. Center is negative 1, 7, and area is 64 pi. H is negative 1, and k is 7. So we will have x minus negative 1, or that's plus 1 square. K is 7, so we have y minus 7 square is equal to r square. Now recall that area is equal to pi r square. So this means that the number before the pi, the 64 here, refers to the value of r square. Again, r square is equal to 64. So the answer for question number 4 is x plus 1 square plus y minus 7 square is equal to 64. Question 5. Center is -9, -6, and circumference is 14 pi units. For this question 5, h is negative 9 and k is negative 6. So we will have x minus negative 9, or that's plus 9 square, plus we have y minus negative 6, that also becomes y plus 6 square is equal to. Now what is the r square for question number 5? Recall that to solve for the circumference, we need to multiply pi times the diameter. So this means that if circumference is 14 pi, 14 here is your diameter. And since diameter is 14, radius is half the diameter, so the radius is 7. If r is 7, then r square is equal to 7 square, or that is 49. So the answer for question number 5 is x plus 9 square plus y plus 6 square is equal to 49. Now it's your turn to solve 5 problems. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. For question number 6, the center is 0, negative 3, and the radius is 6. This means that h is 0 and k is negative 3. Also, the radius is 6, so this means r square is 6 square, or that is 36. So to write the answer, we will have x minus 0 square plus y minus negative 3, that's y plus 3 square, is equal to r square is 6 square, or that is 36. Simplifying this, x minus 0 is the same thing as x, so we can write the answer for number 6 as x square plus y plus 3 square is equal to 36. Question 7. Center is negative 9, and the radius is square root of 31. So for number 7, h is negative 9 and k is negative 9 as well. So we will have x minus negative 9, or that's x plus 9 square. Next we have y minus negative 9, or that's the same thing as y plus 9 square, is equal to r square. If r is root 31, then r square is the square of root 31, or that's simply 31. So the answer is x plus 9 square plus y plus 9 square is equal to 31. Question 8. Center is negative 9, negative 15, and diameter is 12. So for number 8, h is negative 9 and k is negative 15. So we will have x minus negative 9, or that's plus 9 square, plus k is negative 15, so we have y minus negative 15, or that's plus 15 square. The diameter is 12, so r is half of 12, which is 6, and r square is 6 square, or that's 36. So the answer for question number 8 is x plus 9 square plus y plus 15 square is equal to 36. Question 9. Center is 15, negative 14, and area is 4 pi. For question 9, h is 15 and k is negative 14. So we will have x minus 15 square plus y minus negative 14, or that's plus 14 to the second power, is equal to, since area is 4 pi, using the formula area is equal to pi r square, the number 4 here is the value for r square. So r square is equal to 4. So the answer for question 9 is x minus 15 square plus y plus 14 square is equal to 4. Question 10. Center is negative 3, 9, and circumference is 6 pi. For question 10, h is negative 3 and k is positive 9. So we will have x minus negative 3, or that's x plus 3 square, plus y minus k, which is y minus 9, square is equal to r square. Circumference is 6 pi, and circumference formula is pi times diameter. So the number 6 here is our diameter. Diameter is 6, so the radius is half of 6, which is 3. And r squared is 3 to the second power, which is 9. So the answer for question 10 is x plus 3 squared plus y minus 9 squared is equal to 9. So in writing the equation of a circle in standard form, you need to identify the center and the value of r squared. Once you have this information, you can simply substitute the h, k, and r squared into the standard form. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.